Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Gemini for the month of November 2025. This will be a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for the month, the key obstacles or challenges, actions or advice we have for you, strength and opportunities you will have, and the probable outcome. This will be for all the aspects of your life, not specifically love, not specifically work. It can be for the common energies in any areas of your life. Okay, so let's start the reading. What's the overall energy for the month of November for Gemini? Overall energy for Gemini. What's the overall energy for Gemini? Wow. What's the overall energy for Gemini? Okay. Okay. Great. Let's see what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Gemini. The card has fallen off. We'll take that. Okay. Please clarify the Moon card for Gemini as the obstacles and challenges for Gemini. Moon card. Okay. We will see what are the actions or advice we have for Gemini in November. Actions or advice for Gemini in November. Actions or advice for Gemini in November. Please clarify the Hermit card. Okay. Let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Gemini. Quick, quick, quick. The cards are coming off quickly. Good. Let's see the probable outcome. Probable outcome for Gemini. What's the probable outcome for Gemini? What's the probable outcome? Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just a minute, guys. Okay, please clarify the Justice card as the outcome for Gemini in November. Justice card as the outcome for Gemini. Okay. I don't know why for this reading I'm seeing the bottom of the deck. So bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. See, these energies bottom of the deck are the energies which are deep down you are feeling. It can be the suppressed energies, suppressed energies or the subconscious energies. Okay, so the deep down energy is the Three of Swords. Something is painful, something you are dealing with, or you have recently in recent past you have dealt with something which was painful. Okay, you would have, for some of you you could have gone through a breakup. There was this energy of heartbreak, pain, betrayal, that kind of thing. You would have, for some of you, I see you would have gone through something. Some things in your relation would have happened which has caused you deep pain, okay, in your heart. It's an emotional pain and you are still going through it subconsciously or deep down. You're not expressing it out, but yeah, deep down that is the energy I'm seeing. Okay, the overall energy for you for the month of November, Gemini, is being passionate towards your goal. Whatever your goal is, you need to be passionate towards it, or you are passionate towards it, and you are very charismatic. People are looking at you as someone who is very charismatic, passionate, energetic, go-getter, someone who knows what they will accept and what they will not. And you are also inspiring some people around you. Okay, people will come to you for guidance, and you have this energy of nurturing, of giving care, love, understanding other people. So that is what I am getting, and you are protected. Okay, there are little bit, that is nothing to worry about, but there may be some people who are, not so good. These can be in your circle, who are not having very good pure intention towards you, but they can't harm you, they can't do anything to you. They will, you are in your own energy, you are in your own frequency, and you are doing things what is good for you, being focused, being what do you say, having that focus, strategy and plan towards your goal, and you're very clear on this is what I have to work on and this is how I'm going to get it. Okay, that is the overall energy I'm getting. That's a very positive and a very good energy. Now the key challenges or obstacle is, as I said, the bottom of the heart, bottom of the deck was the Three of Swords, and which was like deep emotional pain. And here again the advice, the challenge is related to your emotions, related to your, you know your heart, or coming out of subconscious fears. The subconscious fears can be the past issues, past trauma, past wounds, okay, which are coming out or popping out, which are somewhere stopping you from moving ahead in your life. Okay, now for some of you, I'm getting, it can be for very few, that आप अपने इमोशंस किसी को एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो, बट आपके जो भी पास्ट इश्यूज रहे हैं, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, पास्ट ट्रॉमास रहे हैं फॉर सम ऑफ यू, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको रोक रहे हैं आपकी लाइफ में मूव ऑन करने से या नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेने से. ओके, it's like, it's like your mind is saying something and your heart is saying something. Your heart is saying to move ahead and your mind is saying, have you forgotten the past experiences, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. तो there is this, not able to think clearly. आप, when it comes to your working on your emotions, on your expressions and expressing your love or taking that step, आपको जहाँ पे आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है, कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने सबकॉन्शियस फियर्स की वजह से आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो, एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन. इट्स लाइक यू आर नॉट एबल टू bring your mind and heart to one conclusion, or you're not able to decide clearly, is your mind saying the right thing or is your heart saying the right thing. You need to listen to your intuition. Okay, intuition, इंट्यूशन को समझने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. एक सिंपल होता है कि लुक एट हाउ यू आर फीलिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन और अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. अगर आप किसी चीज को करने के लिए जा रहे हो, इफ यू आर फीलिंग गुड अबाउट इट, do good. If you're feeling, kind of anxiety, a nervousness, like a strings pulling in your stomach, then stay. Okay, don't rush into any kind of decision which is making you feel that way. Okay, so try to connect with your instinct, try to connect with your intuition, try to understand your gut feeling and accordingly take the next step. Okay, also what is the advice that we have for you is, don't try to, surround yourself with so many people so that you can avoid listening to your heart and mind. Okay, you don't have to do that. To make a decision, you have to listen to your own inner voice, and for that sometimes you have to go into solitude. Okay, you have to disconnect in order to reconnect. Now reconnection is with yourself and disconnection is from the outside world. Okay, that is what you have to do. So you have, your soul knows what is good for you and your soul will tell you, but for that you have to focus on the inner voice and get rid of the outside, outside world, outside noise. That is what you have to do. And also you don't have to be in this energy of when will I see the rewards of my hard work. Maybe for some of you in your finances, you are not able to see that growth which you were expecting, and that is also causing you overthinking and anxiety. Okay, so you need to take some time off and have faith that whatever you have worked on, you will be given reward of that. Your hard work will come into fruition, but it is taking some time, but it's not that you are not going to get it. So you need to have that patience and deal with the situation with patience, maturity, your experience, your knowledge, your wisdom. So you have to deal with the situation in a wiser manner. Okay, don't take impulsive decision, don't take impulsive actions, and be calm, be patient. Things will come to fruition, okay, at the right time. Now coming to the strength and opportunities is, you are not afraid. It's like whatever you have to work on, you are not afraid and you don't give up on the situation, which is a very good thing. And you have to, you are always in this energy of go getter, energetic towards your goal, towards your work, towards your passion. You are very focused, you are very determined, and you have the knowledge and experience which is required to deal with the situation. You are not afraid to speak whenever it is required, and you are not afraid to set boundaries. And you are somewhere, as I said, no, you are a go getter. आपको procrastination wala agar issue hai, so you need to work on that. I don't see that is there, but if it is there, you need to work on that. Don't leave things for tomorrow. Rather, be focused and be determined towards your goal. Move ahead with a proper planning. Okay, proper planning और strategy के साथ आपको आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है, and you will get the reward. As I was saying, rewards are there. आपको fruits मिलेंगे आपके hard work के, but आप कोई impulsively आप कोई decision मत लीजिए, कोई action मत लीजिए. Proper planning के साथ आपको बढ़ना है. That is what also is confirmed by the Chariot card. Now, outcome is you will get the justice. Okay, the justice will be served in your favor. The justice will be served, and things will, definitely move to the next step, to the next level. And it's a movement card. Also, I see that, as I said, things will be moving to the next level, but to achieve your goal, to achieve your, whatever you are working on, you have to move with a proper plan and strategy. Impulsively आपको कोई decision नहीं लेना है. Ultimately, all the cards in your reading are saying, listen to your intuition, listen to your gut, act wisely. Okay, use your experience, use your knowledge, and things will work out. Things will, you will get the rewards of your hard work. But impulsively कोई decision मत लो. Proper planning के साथ आगे बढ़ो. Focused रहने की ज़रूरत है, determined रहने की ज़रूरत है, and things will move to the next level, okay, or to the next stage. All right, let's take one guiding message for you, Gemini, for the month of November. Guiding message for Gemini. It's a good reading, guys, but try to connect with yourself instead of connecting or surrounding yourself with the people who are not helping you to move ahead in your life. Autumn. Release the old and rest. As I said, you need to get rid of the past thing. Don't let the past experience, past traumas control you or stop you from moving ahead. Okay, whatever has happened has happened. You have to release all that and move towards your growth, and take some rest. You don't have to rush into anything impulsively. As I said, कोई decision मत लो, भाग दौड़ जल्दी जल्दी में कोई decision मत लो. Take some time off, connect with yourself, and then think wisely and accordingly take the decision. Okay, this card also says that the coming autumn will be very fruitful for you. Maybe the rewards जो आप wait कर रहे हो, you will get to see the rewards by the coming autumn. Okay, so that's a beautiful reading, Gemini. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.